Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am your English literature teacher, Ms. Rutaba Liakar, and today I prepared this lesson for class 3. Today date is 25th of August 2021 and the day is Wednesday. Our reader book name is Heidi. This is our reader book, Heidi. And the meaning of the word Heidi is nobility. Before starting my lesson, first I will share lesson objectives with you. Means in today's lesson we will do the reading and then I will explain the meaning of the text and you have to do the give the answer of the questions. Students will be able to read and comprehend the text, answer the questions. For this, you have to open your reader book, pages 10 to 13. You have to mention date and day on these 4 pages, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Put your fingers on the book and hold pencil in your hands so that you can underline the difficult words and write the meaning of difficult words. Heidi, I have to go to Frankfurt. Aunt Deed said, you must stay here with your grandfather. Heidi and grandfather both looked worried. She can't stay here, he said. I'm much too old. How can I look after a little girl? Again, I am reading these lines. So listen me carefully. Heidi, I have to go to Frankfurt. Aunt Deed said, you must stay here with your grandfather. Heidi and grandfather both looked worried. She can't stay here, he said. I'm much too old. How can I look after a little girl? On page number 10 and 11, you can see there are 3 characters, grandfather, Aunt Deed and Heidi. Grandfather is sitting on the chair. He holds a cup of tea in his hand. They all are looking worried. Here on page number 10, I am going to explain these lines. Here Aunt Dad came with Heidi at grandfather's house and she said to grandfather, means to her father, that Heidi will stay with you for a night. But grandfather refused because grandfather said that I am very weak and I am not able to take care of a little girl. Now open page number 12 and 13 of your reader book, Heidi. But Aunt Deed went back down the mountain and Heidi stayed with her grandfather. Where will I sleep? She asked. Grandfather made her a little bed in the hay loft. Then Peter gave Heidi some goat's milk to drink. But Aunt Deed went back down the mountain and Heidi stayed with her grandfather. Where will I sleep? She asked. Grandfather made her a little bed in the hay loft. Then Peter gave Heidi some goat's milk to drink. On page number 12 and 13, you can see there are 3 characters, Heidi, Peter and the goat. The name of this goat is Snowflake. Peter is standing on the ladder and he holds a glass of milk in his hand. Heidi is lying on the hay loft. There is one door also. Now the meaning of these lines are, when Aunt Dad brought Heidi to grandfather's house. So she left Heidi at grandfather's house. So Heidi went to grandfather and she asked grandfather that where I will sleep. So grandfather said that you will sleep on the hayloft. Means grandfather made her a little bed in the hayloft. It's time to share difficult vocabulary with you. The first word is Frankfurt. Frankfurt. Second word is mountain. Mountain. Third word is worried. Worried. Fourth one is hayloft. Hayloft. Now I am going to share the meanings of these difficult words. Frankfurt means a city in central Germany. Mountain, a large steep hill. Worried, upset or disturbed. Hayloft means dried grass. It's time to share homework with you. In homework you have to do the written work. You have to write the answers of these questions. I will read question for you. Question number 1 is, where did Heidi's grandfather live? Question number 2 is, who was Peter? What was his job? Question number 3 is, why was Heidi and her grandfather worried? Last question, question number 4 is, where did Heidi live before coming to her grandfather's house? You have to do your written work in your notebook, means in your copy. That's all from my side. Thank you so much.